Yes, I've got a Prado 120. I've installed a power booster. I just want to show you where I installed it. It's in the air cleaner housing before the air filter. So here's a power booster installed. And it must be before the air cleaner for safety reasons. If the power booster gets loose, that it doesn't go into the engine. Just want to put it back. So I've driven over 2,000 kilometers now, and I've taken short distances in town. The car has much more power, and the engine is running like very smooth. Even on the long distance, I'm driving fast. I got an average speed of 160 to 170. The engine was like running smooth. I still had a lot of power left in the pedal for overtaking, and so I'm impressed what the power booster does. So the other thing which I want to mention, I normally make the car full in Tsumeb, which is 540 kilometers from Swakop. And when I drive that speed, it's normally empty when I come here. And I did it for a test. My tank was 3/4 full, and I even made it to Swakopmund, and I still had some kilometers left. We had less fuel consumption in overall, even while I was driving fast.